Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Today's video shows you this custom, oversized, interchangeable washing machine mold behind me. Production capacity that previously required 3 small molds can now be achieved with just 1 custom, large mold. Furthermore, by simply changing a single mold, we can produce both 8 kilos and 10 kilos washing machine packaging. This solution not only significantly reduces mold costs, but also significantly improves production efficiency, eliminating the time wasted by frequent mold changes. As you can see in the video, I'm pointing to the screws on the front of the mold. By quickly loosening these screws, I can easily swap out the adjacent mold for quick switching. Furthermore, the countersunk screws in the area I'm pointing to prevent marks on the foam surface, enhancing the product's aesthetics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.